Welcome to DEX. Today, we'll guide you through the daily transaction report, your key to understanding settlement and received transactions. To get started, simply click on Reports in the left main menu. Next, select the Daily Transaction Report tab. Customization is at your fingertips. Click on the Date field to choose a specific day within the past 7 days. Then, in the Select a Report field, pick your report by name or transmitter ID. If the report is ready, the download begins immediately. Now, let's dive into the report. It's divided into 3 insightful tabs. First up, the Summary tab provides an overview of the settlement, received data, totals by payment method, and card type. Also, you can see the reject amount with voids and declines. And don't forget the Received tab, revealing the dollar value of received items, including voids and declines. Then, explore the Settlement tab for granular details on each settled or funded transaction. With DEX, managing your daily transactions has never been more intuitive.